Hello guys, time and again we note that God has come into this earth in various incarnated forms and Satya Baba being one among them. I have been a follower of him from the last 10 years and I have been trying to follow his teachings and his 5 basic principles, which are truth, right conduct, peace, love and non-violence. My personal experience is whenever I visit Prasanthi Nilayam, I feel so blessed and I feel so happy that I can't describe that in my words. My personal experience is whenever I visit Prasanthi Nilayam and is I still feel the same and the same experience which it is when I was there, as if he was still watching us and still giving us his blessings. When we have all come into this world for some purpose and achieving certain things, and we are all trying to achieve those things in certain ways, but in the process of that we neglect some basic human values, because of which love and peace has vanished from our lives. One of the main purpose of our lives is to do the service to the society and help the poor and needy people which require our attention and our help. We can have this example set by how Baba has created so many schools and various hospitals in which free treatment for the patients and free education to all the people, all the students has been provided. Baba has always emphasized on 5 basic principles and we should live our lives on that. These 5 principles, if we follow, not only give stability to our lives but can also help us become better persons. So I would like to advise my younger people and my fellow people that we should try to lead our lives based on these 5 basic principles. Always follow the truth, which will lead to right conduct. Right conduct promotes peace, peace, then peace turns out to love, and love leads to non-violence. Once we inculcate all these 5 basic things, we can witness a rapid change in our personalities, our nature, and our lives will be devoid of any pain and any sufferings. We can attain our goals with so much ease after following these 5 principles. So let's be a change and let's make a change. Thank you.